welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine and it's another day of Vlogmas, and we're doing another wig install from LUVME Hair. You already know the deal. I love LUVME Hair, and today we're installing this bang unit. This is literally like the perfect grab and go wig. You really don't have to have a bald cap on. I just had one on already because I was installing another wig this day as well. And you could just put your hair in a little lazy bun and pop this bad boy on your head. The construction of the units are always top tier with LUVME Hair. They have elastic bands which make it super easy to apply, and they also have combs so that you know that that wig is not going anywhere. You don't need no glue because the combs are going to make sure that that unit is stuck. You know what I mean? The wind's not going to blow it away. And yeah, as you can see, is banging. Okay, so we have a nice little straight across bang, and I was like, at first, like, whoa, I've never seen myself, I feel like, with this type of haircut, like a straight bob and then a bang. So I was like, this is interesting, but I absolutely loved how it looked in the end. The texture of this hair was like almost like a yaki texture, which I thought was interesting because when I seen it online I thought it was going to be like a silky texture, but when I got it, it was more like yaki. So I really like that. And as you can see, one pass and we straight. So it's already a super perfect grab and go wig, but the fact that this hair is so silky, well, not silky because it's a yaki texture, but the fact that this hair is just so good, you can do one pass with the flat iron and it'll be perfectly straight, good to go. You can do a quick few passes on the hair and you can be right out the door. So after I straightened my entire head, I just saved the bangs for last, and it literally took me 3 passes to get across the bangs, and that was it, y'all. Like I said, this hair was super easy to work with and it literally didn't need much heat at all. I just feel like this wig is perfect for days you don't want to do your hair, but you do want to, like, you know, look kind of put together. You just want to run out, do a little something, but not really do a lot. You know what I mean? You know the vibes? Yeah, I just feel like this is that girl, you know? And as you can see, the wig was installed. This wig literally took me about 5 minutes total to really like completely put on, you know? And yeah, that was it. Y'all see the final product. I think it's so cute, like so stinking cute. And I just think that this wig would be suitable for anybody, any face shape. If my round head can rock it, y'all can rock it too, I promise you. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below for wig details and specs and all of that, so you guys can purchase this wig for yourself. And you know, I'm already gonna save you some coin. I do have a discount code in the description box for you guys as well, so anytime you're shopping LUVME Hair, you can save some money, and who doesn't love saving money? And I wanted to give you guys a little like luster test right here with the comb. You see it, the shine, the body, it's giving. It's giving. It's so cute. This unit was just an unexpected win. Like, I thought that this one was gonna be like one of my least favorite wigs, but surprisingly, I really liked it. And I feel like I'm gonna be definitely wearing it, you know, like I said, when I want to run out that door real quick. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.